Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. Putri, okay, Putri? Still strong, huh? Okay. Yes, okay, just a moment. Let me go and call the rest, all right? I need to call some of them, otherwise they won't attend tuition. Let's see now who. Okay.
What time our tuition gonna end? Normal, right? Okay, then have to wait for like.
Yeah, so you wait only about 10 minutes or so and then you can book lah. Are you fasting? Yes. Yes, let me see. Okay, just one more minute. Let me just send to Mr. Akim. Who else not here? Oh, Putra, not here.
Putra will be. Hurry!
Okay, never mind. No worries, no worries. Okay, other than Putra, who else? Naomi. Okay, I think everyone is here. All right. Okay, Kasharil. Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. We are going to start with the practice for SA1. Okay. So what you do is you keep track of your scores lah. All right, keep track of how many questions you get correct. Come, Naomi, Shafia, come turn on your video. Come. Okay, here we go. We are going to start with Nanhua and Rosith also.
But Nanhua. Kind of sound familiar to me.
Oh, Nanhua, yeah. Nanhua is a Chinese school, and many of the Chinese schools are SAP schools.
Oh wait, never mind. I remember the school.
Remember the school?
Roman.
Wow. Okay. Waalaikumsalam. Okay, come. Let's start now. Okay, we try 3 questions here. Yeah, do your best. Okay, you can do this. You can beat this paper. Cannot use calculator for this one. No using calculator, please.
Don't use.
Syafia.
Aduh, sabar ya.
Oh, someone has already sent the answer. Okay, ID. Wow, very fast already. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, we give you a minute to try for all of them, okay? Send your answers through the message, okay? Shafia, turn on your video, Shafia. Okay, let's see who else. Try the rest, huh? Let's see. Okay, for question number 1, very simple. Since many of you have done it already, so you can check the answer. Okay, here we go. So you just take 8, 9, 7, 4, 100. Right? You want the digit 9. Just underline digit 9, write the digit 9, and follow the rest with the zeros. You see? So you count 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 zeros. So 4 zeros. So the answer is number 3. Now for the next one, your check answers. Huh? How many thousands are there in 4,380,000? So now in this number, you must ask yourself, in number 1,000, how many zeros are there? If you write 1,000 is 1, 2, 3. So you just cancel 1, 2, 3 zeros. Cancel the zeros here. And your answer is here, 4,380. Just as simple as that. So if they ask you how many thousand, you cancel 3 zeros. If they ask you how many tens, well, you ask yourself 10, how many zero? I write 10. Oh, 1 0. So you just cancel 1 0 if it's 10. And you write down the answer like that. If they ask you for 10. But in this case, they ask you for 1,000. So 1,000 has 3 zeros. You cancel 3 zeros and this is your answer. Easy, yeah? Now this product, let me see. You all should be able to do. Okay. If you are unable, you cannot use calculator for this one. You can just times by 5. And then after that, add the 2 zeros. See, there's 2 zeros here. 2 times 5, 10. Carry 1. 4 times 5, 20 plus 1, 21. Carry 2. 5 times 5, 25 plus 2, 27. Now, don't write the answer as 2710. This is not the right answer. You must add 2 more zeros because there's supposed to be 2 more zeros here. We add another 2 more zeros. So you must have 3 zeros here. 271,000. 271,000. If you get all 3 correct, great. Okay. If you don't, keep track of how many you get it correct. Okay. This is good practice for you. Okay. And we move on to the next one now. Okay, this one is the divide sign. I will highlight this is divide sign. Okay, this is divide sign. You cannot see because I want to have the whole page here. This minus, this is divide, plus, times. Let's see. Oh wow, I need. Okay, I've not. I don't know whether number 4 is it correct. Anyone got other answers not? That is not in the list for number 4. Okay. I think many of you have done number 4. Let's see. I'm just gonna write it here. Maybe there might be a mistake. Is there a mistake in number 4? Oh no. Sorry, there's no mistake.
There's no mistake.
No mistake. Yeah. Correct. My mistake. My mistake. Yes, correct. Okay, I think yes. So let me just check. Down here.
I think you saw
Yeah.
number 4, like the you forgot the bracket. That's why.
Maybe yes. Okay, so Riley, congratulations for number 4. Who else? Number 4. All right. Putri. Number 4. Shafia. Number 4. Yes. Putra also yes. Yes.
Number
I cannot hear your voice. Number 4. You say then after disappear. So let us check now. Those of you who have not done number 4, we check. Okay. So the first one now you have 60 divided 24. 60 minus 24, which is divided by. Okay, divided by, we use this sign now. Okay. Then 4 plus 2. We do the bracket first. 4 plus 2 is 8. So remember, brackets must be done first, right? And then times 2. So what's the next one we do? First one we did brackets. Then the next one is either divide or times. You must do the left one first. So 60 24 divided by 8 is 3. So then you put like that. Then you don't minus yet. You must do times now. Do times now. So 60 minus, sorry, not, sorry, this one is wrong. Not 3, 4. Sorry, down here is 4. 24 not divided by 8, divide by 6. Sorry. Okay, let me just read the thing, otherwise I'll confuse you. 60, the question is 60 minus 24 divided by, okay, they put 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2, 4 plus 2. Ya Allah. 4 plus 2 times 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6 down here. So we do the bracket first. Then after that, we do the divide down here. This divide. So you get 4. Then you do the times. And then you minus, which is minus 8. So your answer is 52. So I repeat, first thing you do is brackets. Second is divide or times. If you have divide and times, how? Do the left one first. So left to right. Okay, this rule you have to follow right until secondary school. Okay, so your answer is 3. Let's see now the next one. What are the common factors of 24 and 36? Okay, I hope you have done already. So I'm going to write it down on here. What do I do now? Right, 24. 1 times 24. What else? Well, 2 times 12. Okay, what else? 2 times 12. What about 3? Can we do 3? Yes, we can do 3 also. 3 times 8. 3 times 8. Okay,
4 times
good.
6.
4 times 6. Well done. 3 times 8, 4 times 6. Now, so you need to know your timetable. Otherwise, you're going to take a long time here. So these are all the factors. Now, how do we know when to stop? Well, we go next one. Next one is 6 times 4. It's the same thing. 6 times 4, 4 times 6, same thing. You don't need to do this part. You stop already. Okay, so now you move on to the next one. Next one now, what do they say? Is 36. So we start with 1 first. That's what I do. I start with 1. Down here, 1 times 36. Then I try 2 can. 2 can. 2 times 18. Then can I have 3?
3 times 12.
3 times 12. Well done. Then 4 can.
4 times 9.
4 times 9. Yes. And 5 cannot. 6 can.
Can 6 times 6.
6 something. Okay. Once you get 6 times 6, same number, you stop also. Because the next number is going to be what? The next number is going to be 9. 9 times 4. So you can stop. So now what you do, you compare. The word common means what? Same. Like you have your common corridor in HDB. So 1 is same. So 2 same. 2. 3 same. 4 also same. 6 also same. So many. 6 also same. 9. 12 also same. Wow. Banyak sangat. Now how come they give only 3? Well, they give you down here. Which one is not in? We don't. So this one is okay. 139. This one is possible, right? No, cannot. 9 is not in. This one got no 9. 148. Oh, this one got no 8. Cannot be. 238. There's no 8 also. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, and 6. Yes, this is okay. So the answer is here. Now be careful. Sometimes they ask you find the sum of all the common factors. Then you must add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. One time, and don't go add 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 1, 2, 3. Don't add double. Just once. If they ask you for the sum. Down here, they did not ask you for the sum. Okay. Now over here now, very simple. Let's see. Question number 6. Okay. If they ask you to change anything to decimal, let's say now, I give you down here 1 over 10. Let's say over 10. What you do is you 10 got how many 0? 1 0. So you put a space here. So we put 1 down here, that becomes 0. If they say 21 over 10. Over 10, how many zeros is there in 10? 1. So put 1 space here. 21. Can you see 21 like that? Now down here is 100. 100, that means you put how many zeros? 1, 2 zeros. Put a dot down here. And then let's say now if I say 4 over 100. 4 over 100, then let me just show you. You must know how to do this, okay? 4 over 100, let's say like that. How to change? Well, if 4 over 100, 2 zeros, right? Put 2 blanks, put a 4 down here. Then all the rest you put a 0. 0. But down here now, you put 2 zeros. And they have 3 digits. There's 4, 5, 5. 5 at the end, 5 at some more, and 4.55. That is your answer. Easy not the method? If it's easy, you try the next one. The next one I'm going to give you now. Okay. As a decimal, I want you to change this to a decimal. Okay. Here we go. As a decimal. What is this as a decimal? Come, try. Come. You send the answer. Send the answer. Come to try. As a decimal, count the number of zeros.
Oh, wait.
Hey, it's too loud. Okay. Anyone, just send the answer. Ask how many zeros. You put the number of Raidi. So sorry, Raidi, you're correct. Putra, please try again. Raidi, Putra, you ask us how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So you put a dot.
So am I correct or wrong?
Yes, you're right. 3. Okay, you put 3 down here. And then the rest can do. You put 31. Right, 31 here. Then the rest put 0, 0. Can see now how to do. Okay, I'll give you more questions. We have to do more until everyone gets it. Until everyone gets it, okay? We have to. Sorry. Wrong.
0.0031 is it?
No, not 0.0031. Just now, how many zeros? Okay, we go through again. If let's say we have 31 over 1,000, you ask yourself, Akil, how many zeros are there? There's 1, 2, 3. So you put a dot.
This
1, 2, and 3. Then you write 31, right? At the end here, 31, Akil. So now the rest, 0 and then 0. So 0.031, not 0031. If 0031, must have one more 0 here. Okay, we try now.
This thing is a trick.
It's a trick.
Everyone thinks that there's 10,000, hundreds, and ones.
Yes.
Ones isn't even a thing.
Yes, right. That's true. So you try this now. How is this as a decimal? You count how many zeros are there, how many places are there. We have now the first answer coming in from Mr. Let's see.
That I guess.
Miss. Okay, Raidi and Putri, well done. Okay, let us see what about the rest. You can do. Just write now. Don't guess. You must write down. Akil, you must write down. Okay, you can do this. Very simple. Okay, Naomi, Shafia can do this. Okay, these are things that you can score, but you must memorize lah. Most of the time, students know how to do. After tuition, they forget. So let us see. Okay, well done, Putra. What about the rest? So far, 3 answers. We're waiting for the rest. Over. Come in, Akil, Shafia, Naomi, come turn on your video, Naomi. Come. Try. Akil, come in, Akil.
Sir.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, we do together. Those of you not so sure, we can do together. Okay. We ask Akil, how many zeros are there, Akil? Akil not there. 2 zeros, what? There's 1 here, 1 here. So 1, 2. Put a dot on here. Then fill the last digit. Oh, Akil disappeared. The last digit is 4. Put the last digit here. The second last is 2. Put the 2 here. Then you got 4 and 1. Put 1 and 4. 41.24. All right. 41.24. Okay, last question. Here we go. Now this is over 10,000. Don't say it cannot be done. It can be done. Or 100,000. You say, I never learned 100,000. I never learned 10,000. Never mind. You know the method already. I give you 10,000 on here. You will not be asked this sort of question. Right? 1, 2, and 3. Now, what's your answer now? You can do this, Yumi. You can do this, Shafia. Akil, you can do this, Akil. Okay, the first answer we have. Congratulations to Miss Putri. Putra, you got to check. You got to check, Putra.
Sir,
yeah.
Is it 0.00123?
Oh, 0.00123. Okay, we're going to check now. We're going to check.
0.000123.
Okay, we're going to check.
Am I correct?
Okay, righty, where righty, correct, yes. Okay, so we're gonna ask Naomi, how many zeros are there, Naomi, down here? How many zeros?
4.
4. So we put 4 blanks. We put a dot. We put the 4 blanks like that, lah. And then the last one goes to the last space. 3, you write here. The second guy last go to the second last space. 2 down here. And the first one, it goes to the third last space. 1 here. You see, what about the rest? Put a 0 here and put a 0 here. Easy now. Okay, but some of you still get making mistakes, so we have to try one more time. We try one more time. 47 over and go. Come, you must be able to do this. Must be able to do this.
Done.
Done. Let us see. Congratulations to Mr. Raidi. Raidi representing, which school is that, Raidi? You're representing? Coming Primary School is in the lead. Putra, you are making the same mistake. You must ask yourself, how many zeros are there, Mr. Putra? How many zeros are there, Mr. Putra, in this question? Putra.
I help you guys again.
No, wait.
Correct.
Hey, don't shout. Don't shout.
Okay. Can I give them key?
Wait. Yeah, one by one. Okay, Akil, yes. Akil, what is it, Akil? You just capture and then that's it.
Is it 0.047?
Again, repeat your answer. 0.
Is it 0.047?
Okay, let us see whether it's correct. First of all, we ask Putra. Putra, how many zeros? Putra, yes, please go. How many zeros are there?
3.
3. So we put the dot. 1, 2, 3. So the 7.
0.047.
Okay, yes, 0.047. You put down here. Yes, correct. Akil, you're correct. So like that, very simple, right? It's simple. Okay, the last of the one. Okay, we need to do the last one in case this comes up for the exam. 237 over 10. Can you change it to a decimal? What is it? And the first one, I expect you will put 3 or Raidi. Which one is going to come first? Welcoming campus or Putri, which school are you from? Which school?
Riverside.
Chiwa, is it?
Riverside.
Riverside. Okay, yes. Riverside have come in first. Raidi, where are you?
0.0237.
0.0237. Okay, that
I lost my mind.
0.237.
I lost my mind in like a few seconds.
I see. Okay, we ask
my mind died.
Akil, how many zeros are there here? How many zeros?
Just 1.
So you must put dot 1 only. So now put the 7 down here, put the 2 down here, and put the 3 down here, and put the 2 down here. So it's 1, you must have 0.1 only. 1, 0 means 1. So it's 7, 2, 3 down here, 2, 3.7. Okay, those of you still unsure, you got to watch the video, okay? Because we have to move on. Now, here we go. Okay. The next one. 7 and 8. Okay, let's see. We have the first answer coming in. Will it be from Coming or Riverside? Let us see. It's from Riverside. First answer is from Riverside, but we do not know whether Riverside is correct. Dan is coming. Both of them have the same answer. Let's see. And then Putra.
Go Riverside.
Go Riverside. Let's see. We're also waiting for Wat Tanjong. Wat Tanjong. We're waiting for Wat Tanjong. Is Mr. Wat Tanjong there? Come, Naomi, Shafia, I know, and Akil, turn on your video. Why you turn off a video? I'm going to kick out those who turn off the video. Okay, very soon. Then you cannot enter. No, once you cannot kick out, you cannot enter. No. Let us see. What about the rest? We're waiting for the rest. It seems that only those with videos are on are doing the work. No. Yes, please try. The one not videos not on, they're not doing the work, so I do not know what they're doing. Okay, come. Okay, come. So down here, very simple. Okay, those who are not sure what to do, find the same denominator. The same denominator here would be 28 now, because both of them can times. Yeah, times 4 times 8. 7 times 7 times 4. So, okay, we can put it 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28, right? And then this one is 4. I'm just showing the whole working, okay? In case you're not sure. 4 times 7. Aduh. 4 times 7, now the ink has run out now.
Sure. Is number 8, 5 or 6?
Number 8, 5 or 6, what do you mean?
Well, is it 1 out of 5 or 1 out of 6?
1 out of 5. 1 out of 5. 1 out of 5.
Why I'm not getting the answer?
Okay, we will come to that in a moment. Okay, so down here, 7 times 4, 4 times 7, you will get 28, you see? 28 at the bottom. All right, 28 at the bottom. So now, you must do the same thing to the top. You must be fair. Okay, the top one down here, what do you have? You have 6. So
6 times 4.
What do you get 6 times 4?
24.
24. And then this one is 1, right? 1 times?
1 times 7. 7.
And then when you add together, you get how much?
Add together.
You get? Becomes what? 31, right?
31.
So many of you can reach this part. But then some of you say, I don't know how to do division by 2 numbers. I tell you, you know how to do division by 2 numbers. This one is just take 1 times 28. Now 1 times 28 is 28. 2 times 28 already is 56. Cannot be 56. What? You just use the 1 time table only. No? Just the 1 time table, then you can do. Right? 2 times 28 is 56. So down here, is it 2? It cannot be 2. It must be 28 down here. So you get 1, right? And then what happens? You minus, you get 3. So 1 whole 3 is as a numerator.
Out of 28.
28. So who got it? Yeah, number 3. Number 3 is the one. Very simple. You can do this. You can do this. But if you don't practice, you will forget. So now let me see. Okay, let me see. This question 7. 7, Raidi is correct. Putra, you put 3, then you put 2. Okay. Yeah.
I celebrated way too early that I hit my stomach.
Okay, okay. No. Okay, maybe it's
3
3
is the first one.
2 is the second one. Sorry. Okay, sorry. So put 3 as 3. Okay, well done. But the rest, what about the rest? Akil and all. Okay, never mind. Okay.
Number 8.
Number 8. Okay, we're going to do number 8 now. Maybe the rest need more time lah. So you need more time. You must watch the video and see. Okay, here we go now. Let us see now. You must understand this math sentence. Now that they say math not gila sentence, but mathematics sentence. They say now there's this rope. This rope is 3/4 cm. 3/4 meter. 3/4 meter, let me just tell you, I just changed it because I know I memorized it. Is 75 cm. 75 cm, you know. So now he used 1/5 of it. So 1/5 of it, what is it, Mr. Raidi? What is it?
The rope.
No, but what is it? This part here. What rope? How much of the rope?
1 out of 5.
What? No, 1 out of 5 is here. You use 1/5 of it. What is it?
The 3 out of 4.
3 out of 4 down here. So you see, 1/5 times 3 out of 4. That's what you do. You times, because you only use 1/5 of this. This 3 out of 4, he divided into 5 parts, you know, like that. So what do you get? You cannot cancel anything. So top times top, 3. Bottom times bottom, 20. So now this is the amount he used.
Yes.
But what is the balance?
Correct.
The balance, but this is not the answer. This is the amount he used because they asked for remaining rope. So watch out.
Number 3, teacher.
Number 3, let's see. 3 out of 4 is the at first what he has at first. Then he used 3 out of 20. So now we minus lah. You times by 5, you times by 5. Hold on, huh? So 15. So maybe Raidi is correct. The answer is not here. 3 times 5, 15. 15 over 20 minus 3 out of 20. And the answer is not here. It's 12 out of 20. No, maybe it's here. 12 out of 20 can still be reduced. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. What do you get? You
11.
get not 11. You divide by 4, what do you get? 3 out of 5 lah. You see, you must divide by 4. You get 3 out of 5. If you want, you've learned a shorter way. I'll show you a shorter way of getting Okay, I'll show a shorter way. Yeah. Now you ask yourself. Sorry. This is going haywire. I think the laptop also puasa lah. Weak laptop. But you know the Muslims during Ramadan they fight in battles. You know, puasa they fight battle. So let's see. If he used 1/5, that means how many is balance? What's the balance? 4/5, because the whole thing got 5 parts. You see, he used 1/5, so he got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 5 balance. So I can also take 4 out of 5 times by this one to get the remaining straight. No, times 3, 4. You watch what happens. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. 1 times 3 is 3. 5 times 1 is 5.
That's what my teacher told me.
Yes, you can do straight, but it doesn't matter. What matters is what you understand. Some students, they don't understand. They will take this number 3, 4, 1/5. They do not know what to do. They're going plus, minus, times, divide. So you got to make sure you understand. Understand a longer way? Okay. Understand shorter way? Okay, no problem. Okay, here we go. We try on the next one. Shafia, where are you, Shafia? Why you keep disappearing? And I can hear someone who is sucking some lollipop. Who is that boy or girl? Someone tak puasa lah, tak puasa pun control lah. All of us become hungry. Yeah. You finger. Okay, you try this. Shafia, where are you going, Shafia? Stay with us. Don't leave us alone, Shafia. Shafia, don't run away. I call Shafia, she keep looking around. We try again. Shafia. Okay, now she looks straight. Normally when I ask Shafia, she's looking around as if the sound is coming from outside. We have another 1 more hour roughly before buka. Yippee! Don't say that. So Akil, what you gonna have for your buka, Akil? Yeah. Oh, singing song, Putra. Putra singing song. Don't. Because it's a bit loud, it just comes pum pum to my ear. I think the rest. That's why after this tuition, normally I will take a cotton bud. And then what do? I will dig my ear. Shakil, come on, Shakil, you can do this, Shakil. They're just asking you.
Need to do
Yeah, you need to do.
Okay.
In the figure below.
I think I know.
Okay.
What is scale?
Scale means not drawn accurately. Okay. X, Y, Z. I'm just gonna show you the triangle in case.
I know what is
okay.
that one.
Okay.
It's
very loud. Your voices are very loud. Okay. So now, to those who don't know, this is what it is. Now remember, these dotted lines are not real lines. No.
This is what I'm learning.
Yes, good. So in school, let's say you go to you see the globe, you know the globe, then with the dotted line on here, you call it equator. Don't think
it ghost line.
Ghost line, is it? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't think that when you go to the sea, let's say something, you will see the line of the sea. This is just a line to help us understand. Okay, so the same thing, this line you will not see in the triangle. This is called imaginary line. All the dotted line is imaginary. So now if let's say I draw a boy's face with dotted line, that means that's imaginary also according to mathematics. Let us see now who has given the answer now. Let us see. All right, we have 112. Once again, understand. 112, let us see. Given that xy is the base, now we draw the base. Remember, you are making a tent. Remember now the activity, we make a tent. This is your tent. Which one is your height? The height, now you must take like this. Okay, I show you now.
You're doing camp or what? Doing camp or what?
Not camp. Camp, yeah, camping, something like camping.
I didn't do like the
if I can.
That one. But then I do campfire.
Campfire, okay. So you must take this. You must take this. Look, can you see what I think you must take your ruler. Now you know that your bottom down here is 90 degrees. So you put it at the bottom here and you slide it at the base. You slide the base until it reaches the highest point, you stop. Means you will stop something like this. I know you cannot see me. I am going to take a photo of this.
Can you sketch square, right?
And you can use set square, no problem.
See,
okay, but sometimes you may not have a set square. Okay, so down here you have, or you can even use anything that is squarish, like a card. You know this card. This is also possible. You can also put it here. I will show it to you in a moment, and then you can see that it touches the top part. All right, I will just show you in a moment. Let me just okay. But anyway, this is the height here. This is the height because it meets at 90 degrees. It meets at 90 degrees. All right. So it touches. So when you use your ruler, you put it and you slide it down the ruler, you'll find that you have to stop here because it touches the top part here. Some stop down here. This is not the height. Remember, there's imaginary line. There's nothing here. Kosong. Don't play with antu. So the answer down here is, what is this? XY. AY. AY. AY is the one. But I want to show you now the picture. Just a moment. Just a moment. I have, so that you're very clear. Sometimes some people are not clear. That's the problem. Okay. So please see this. I am now downloading this. There we go. Oh. Okay. So I'm going to share screen. Can you see now? So for the first one, can you see down here? The ruler, when I push the ruler on the base, I reach the highest point down here. So you stop pushing, this is your height. Now, if you don't have a ruler, you can also use a card. Can you see it's nice? A squarish card, 90 degrees can. Some ask, can I use paper? Not paper. Of course you can, because the paper is also what? It's also 90 degrees. You can use many things, right? So now, if you're not sure what is 90 degrees, you can take your card. You see this, you put it at the side here. Can you see now? Fit 90 degrees perfectly. All right. This one, even this paper also can fit 90 degrees perfectly. So you can use the things around you. You say, I do not have anything. Then during your exam, you just tear a little bit of your exam paper. You tear your exam paper a little bit. All right. Not the whole thing. Okay, let's say you tear a little bit of exam paper. Use this now, use this and test whether this 90-degree angle. You can test. You can test, you see. But don't you go and tear like that. You go and tear, people will be upset with you. Okay, here we go. So you have things that you can use if you want to use. Okay. Yeah, that ruler, that one,
if you want to break it in half, right, might as well just skip the question.
Skip the question, okay. All right, here we go.
If you want to break the paper in half, then later teacher will scold.
Yes, well done. That one is very sharp, Miss Putri. Okay, here we go. Question number 10. Careful, careful. Don't say, some of you are going to say Susan's height is 18. You know, this time because toyol, no? Student can be 18. You have that's now that ruler. This is, you must be careful. The ruler that's now, this one now here, this one is about 15 cm. That cannot be a human being, is 18 cm. Cannot be, you must read carefully. Okay, we have a few. answers now. Wow.
Why so complicated?
Complicated, not complicated. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. Okay, ready? You got to reduce to lowest terms. Okay, we try.
Why? Oh.
Okay. So Mary, they want Susan. You see, must read carefully. Susan to Mary's side. Susan to Mary's side.
I get it correct. I changed my answer already.
Let's see. Susan is 18 cm more than Mary. So 18 plus 144. Mary is 144. Right? So now 18 plus 144 how much? 154. 162. Good. So 162. Okay, we have to divide. We have to reduce lah. Now, we divide by, actually can be divided by 12, but we divide by 2 first, easier. Divide by 2, 14 divided by 2, 7, 4 divided by 2, 72. You see how I do? 16 divided by 2, 8, 2 divided by 2, 1. Now both can divide by 9 now. 9 times 9 is 81. So down here, 9 times 8 is 72. So this is
I get correct.
Well done. Easy, yeah? Easy, 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 easy. Come on, you can do this. If let's say you find we are going too fast, you must watch the video. Okay, 11 and 12. This one now becomes, I think, 2 marks. I think, if I'm not mistaken, question 11 to 15 is 2 marks each. It might get a little bit more tricky. To help those, I'm just going to write some stuff here. Okay, you just continue, okay? Wow, so fast. Okay, I will check in a moment. Let's see. Okay. Wow, let's see. Righty. Okay. Congratulations, Righty. Putri. Yeah, congratulations, Righty and Putri. For question number 11. For the rest, maybe, I think, yeah. You must find what is Jane's saving per month. This is the saving in 6 months. 3. You must find what is the saving per month. How to do this? We'll take 144 divided by, because it's 6 months, you want 1 month, you know. So you divide by 6. Say how to do this. Do like that, long division. You can do this. Okay, long division. You can do. So 1 can divide by 6, cannot, we can put a 0 here. 14, well, you can get 12. 12 is 2, right? And then you minus, you get 2. Bring down the 4, 24. 24 divided by 6, you get 4. So here you get $24. This is $24, you know. Down here means it's $24. And they tell you that Bala saved less. She saves more, means Jane saved more. So Bala must be less. How many dollars less? $6 less. But they say they don't say $6 less, they say $6 more. Yeah, she saved $6 more. So Bala must save $6 less. So you take 24 minus 6. And
18.
you get $18. 18, huh? So the answer is here. All right. Now, let's say, yeah, okay. So we try the next one now. Let's see. Righty is done. Okay, we're gonna, sorry, yeah. Let me just clear the thing. Let's see so that we can do the next one. Those who have finished can do question 13. We do question 12 now. Okay, let us see. Raidi, Putri, well done for question 12. What about the rest? We're waiting for the rest. Don't be scared of the question. Be confident, okay? You know there's one, there's a car, and then the shoes. And the shoes is twice the price. Twice of 27. How much is it? You find out now. Then you know find how much money you got left. Take 100 minus this, minus this. You can do this. Come on, you can do this. Not too difficult. Not too difficult. We have another 50 minutes before Buka.
I did 13 mentally.
Mentally.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Mentally. Let me do mentally also. Okay. Okay. Congratulations, Mr. Raidi. Your mental calculation is good. Okay, we wait for the rest. And while we wait for the rest, Raidi, let me give you a timetable question to you mentally. All right, 11 times 31.
Wait, give me time. I will type in chat.
Yeah. Three what? Three one. 341. Okay, 341.
260.
Oh, no. 11 times 31 no. Or 21. You take 21 or 31?
I take 11 times 13.
13? No,
Yeah.
13. Okay, 31. So what you do is you take 11 times 10
Wait,
first.
wait, wait. I haven't finished.
No, this is for, yeah. This one for those who are doing mentally, times 11, what you do? Times 10 first. You get 310. Then you plus 31. You get 341. Okay, we are going to go through the question on here. What is this question? Jeremy, he has $100. Now he buys the toy car for $27. And then the shoes, they said twice. So times 2 lah. What do you get? You get 54. So the shoes is $54 down here. 54 plus 27. Oh, yeah. 54 plus 27. Okay. So you get $81. When you plus, you get 81. So now you have $100 at first. He spent $81. So you minus lah. Once you minus, you get $19. You will get $19. Okay. You borrow from here. Okay. Left 9 10 here. 10 minus 1, 9. 19. So down here is $19. Okay. Where is Putra? Putra, you couldn't get this one, Putra. Yes, Putra. Couldn't get.
Why?
But you understand how to do this one now? Putra?
Yes, Joe.
Okay, good. Now the next one, we are going to go to the next one. If let's say again, let's say you are lost or whatever, you can go through this in the video, all right? And there's so many videos there. The primary 5 videos you click. Okay, now we move to the next question.
Sure.
Yes.
For 13, I used to I used to like don't know how to do this question.
Oh,
After I learned my multiplication, I find out how to do it, and
Yes, well done. So there's 3 types of biscuits. One is chocolate biscuits, another one is raisin biscuits, another one is sugar biscuits. Chocolate, you know what chocolate is? Sugar, raisin is dried grapes. What sometimes the Malays may call it kismis. So there's sometimes kismis inside, and the sugar biscuits is just sugar on top, sprinkled on top. So I'm going to show you the fastest way if you want. Now, all the biscuits, 40 biscuits is considered one whole. Now, 1/4, 1/8, we can take 1/4 plus 1/8. This is 1/4 of them. Means down here
Times
we.
2.
Or you want to times 2. Okay, we can find out. Okay, I'll show you the longer method. Down here, this whole thing, 1/4 is 1 out of 4. So this is 1 out of 4. The whole thing is 40, right? So now we want to find out what's 1 out of 4. So 1 out of 4 times 40. You see, you learn that off means times, right? Dem, what is dem? Dem is 40 biscuits. That time 40.
I know a very easier
Shorter later. Shorter method later you show us. But now we do step by step in case some may not understand. So you divide by 4. You divide by 4, you get 10. So that means chocolate biscuit is 10 chocolate biscuits.
Equals to 10.
Yeah. But now we have to find raisin biscuits. Do the same thing. 1/8.
1 out of 8 times 10.
Times 40. Because
4
it's
times 40.
of them down here is also 40 biscuits.
40.
Yeah, right. So now down here, we
1.
divide by 8, you get 1, divide by 8, you get 5.
5.
So now
5.
raisin is 5. So now you got 10 and 5. What's the balance? Take 40 minus 10 minus 5, you get 25.
25.
Okay, we ask Raidi. Raidi, what's your answer now? How do you do your short method?
Okay, so you take 1 out of 4, right?
Yeah.
Because 1 out of 4 you already can tell it's 10 times 4, which will be 40. So it's
Okay.
40 is all together. So you take
Alright.
40 minus 10, and then it will be 30 left.
30.
And then 1 out of 8, 8 is the total. What times 8 equals 40? 5. And then you take 5, 30 minus 5, which will be 25, and then you got the answer.
So you can see how mathematics are the different ways of doing it. So Raidi is doing it in one way. Others might be doing it in another way. It's great. You can do it that way, no problem. So long as it's correct, it's okay. So Raidi's method is correct also. He's doing it mentally. He says, no, down here now he says, all together there are 4 parts. So now I'm going to find 1 part. So what times 4 equals to 10? Oh, this to 40. So 10. So you get 10. The same thing he did for the 8. So you can do that way. Alhamdulillah, very good method. Now, the more you do many of these sums, your thinking will be faster. Do you know that the thinking of we Singaporeans is very fast? When we go to Malaysia, people are not thinking as fast as us. You go Indonesia, because their life is quite slow, no? So we're thinking very fast. That means we can compete with so many people around the world. But also it means we become stressed very fast also. So if let's say you are now trained in Singapore, make sure you contribute to the region. I go to the region. Region means Southeast Asia, help them, and they need our help. So you must, maybe you want to travel also, I can introduce you to people if you want to. Okay, we try now this one. Alex, 15 years old. Okay, try question 14. Question 14. So on your piece of paper, what you can do, you can write the different person. Okay, what's the age of Alex? They already give you. You can write it down. Ben, you can also find out. They also give you. Corey also they give you. You can find out. They give you clues. I mean, then what do? You find A is to C. Then you write down something like that, and then you reduce. So you have step 1, you must list down. You have to list. You cannot say I want to do everything mentally unless you're very used to this. You can do it mentally. Like I'm mentally. Once you do it over and over, at first you must write down, but after a while you can do it mentally. So Raidi says you can do it mentally. Let's check whether his mental calculation is correct. Let us.
10 minus 5 equals 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, and then it will be 10 out of 6. And then it will equals 5 out of 3.
Okay, both Putri and Raidi have the answer. Let us see. Okay.
Correct.
Yes, hold on. I'm still calculating in my mind. So your answer, I think, might be Might be wrong. Corey is younger than Ben, you know. How old is Corey? So we do one by one now. Let's
Corey
say
is 6 years old.
6 years old. Okay.
And then Alex is 10 years old.
Okay, so now let's see. So now down here is
Divide it
15.
by 2. Which was
15,
5
huh? Okay, 15. So this one, Ben is 5 years younger.
10.
So 10. 15 minus 5 is 10. Good. And then they say Corey is 4 years younger.
6.
10 minus 4 is 6. So you get 6. So down A to C, A is 15. Corey is 6. Now you can divide by 3, not 2. No, divide by 3.
I thought it was Ben. Ben to Corey.
So this is the story of the hare and the tortoise, right? Divide by 3, you get 5. Both Putri and Raidi got it wrong. So even if they are fast, they know how to do.
Because I thought it was Ben.
So now,
I
okay.
read too fast that. Yeah,
So that means you didn't read the question carefully, lah. So the lesson now here is don't be overconfident. You take your time, relax.
And then
You take your time because even you finish your test paper fast, doesn't matter, right?
and
You still got time.
Why you always have to read instructions before you do it.
Yes. So now it's 5:2. The answer is number 3. So be careful, lah. You all know how to do. Some of you know how to do, but you make careless mistakes. Okay, here's the last question. The last question for
Can you
paper.
read my message? Right, type.
Okay, I'll read the message now. Let me see. And oh yes. We are going to get after this question 15. After this question 15. Okay.
Yes, go.
Okay, let's see. Now they're asking you for the 59 pattern. Allahu Akbar, 59 pattern.
Done.
No. Yeah, Akhil. Sorry, Akhil, you're saying something, Akhil?
How I do this one?
This one you look for the pattern. Every harmony.
Done.
Okay, let's see. Okay.
I just counted it like normally, like I just counted from first all the way to 59.
Don't tell. Okay, now. So now you look.
So need to repeat what the shape.
Yeah, you repeat. Can you see I cut it? It repeats.
So it's number 1 now, number 1.
Can you see it repeats or not? So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because this is the same shape, right? 6 and 1 is the same. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you can put 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Can you see now? I'm now doing the pattern. 35, 40, 45, 50, 45, 50. I'm trying to squeeze it down here.
I guess I'm
So now down here, 59. So we have to go down some more. Sorry, yeah. Now down here. So now, so when I do it like that, I can see.
Can I write something?
55. Hold on. So 60 is at the bottom, right? So 60 here. So 1 before 60 is 59 down here. 1 before 6. So this is what? You go up here. Bingo.
Yay!
You get it, huh? Yes. Okay, Miss correct. Correct, right? Why Raidi, your answer is correct, right? So Raidi says what? What is this? Yes. Oh, you cut in a different way. Okay, well done.
I was too sleepy that I count everything.
I see. But it's okay. Okay, you know how to get the pattern. Here we go. Very quickly, let's see how many cuts you can get. Okay, you can unmute yourself. Here we go. And 3, 2, 1.
Wait, I'm tired. 5 times 7 is
35.
You cannot say 5 times 7. You must just say the answer only. Here we go. We try again. Only the answer only.
58.
Wow, three of you get it same time.
32.
32, Mr. Putra. All right. Putra is very happy, eh?
Sometimes it is
56.
56. 56, Putra again, Putra again.
Let's go.
48.
48.
48.
48, Putra again.
Go. Let's go. 49.
49.
49. I don't know.
49, eh? Okay.
8.
Oh, many of you.
8.
Oh, many of you.
22.
All of you.
72.
72, Putra.
59.
No,
72.
72. Okay, these are very difficult one already, eh?
28.
16.
16. Raidi. Someone said 28. Say 16, eh? Raidi.
20.
20, Putra. Putra is getting almost all bullying. Oh, it's Putra. It's Putri. Sorry. Sound the same. Eh?
66.
All of you.
30.
Who was that? I said 30. Raidi, eh?
Me.
21.
I think Shafia or Naomi was because it was very soft. voice.
42.
42.
Both
48.
42, not 48. 42. Okay.
Jangan cakap 48.
40.
40.
59. 82. 20. 30.
Jangan gitulah.
33.
33.
36.
35.
35. Okay.
35.
Not bad. I think so far now the person to beat will be Putra lah. But don't beat him physically. Don't beat him. All right, here we go. We have another 13. Let us know. No lah, that's it lah. Kashrin.
No.
His name is Kashrin. All right, here we go. Come. Here we go. Okay, can you please? You are not allowed to use calculator still. I can hear some people using calculator. Some might be using abacus. Okay, we have the first answer here. Riley, congratulations, Riley. First one, 1 mark. What about the rest? Can do it. All right. Putra, mistake in your second digit, second and third. This here is not 30. This is 13. It's not 30. It's 13.
Sorry,
Right.
my mistake.
Okay. All right. Well done to Putri. Shafia, let's see. Shafia. Which one you doing, Shafia? Shafia, you doing question 17, is it? 17. The first one is okay. Naomi, well done. Just a moment, Raidi. So now the first one, we do step by step. This we read 813,000, right? Sorry, oops. So we write 813,000. 1,000 is like that, right? But we don't need to put a 000 yet because down here they say 94. So this is 94 down here. So your answer should be 813 and 94. Okay, 94. Sorry. Now, here we go. Now the next one. We're going to check the next one. The next one. Okay, we were Putri, well done. Raidi, check again. Shafia, well done. What about the rest? Okay, let us go through this lah. Okay. Now, for me, if I were you, I do not put the 80 there. I just put 8. Later, I'll add a 0. So 7 times...
I forgot to put the 1.
9 times 8, 72. 8 times 8, 64 plus 7, 71, right? 7 times 8, 56 plus 7, 63. So don't forget to add the 0. Okay, or if you want,
0.
yeah, add 0. Hold on, my
63120, right, sir?
yes, 63120. Congratulations. And a 0 down here. 63120. Now remember, all these are giveaway marks. That means when you see this type of question, you must not get it wrong. So you have to read it carefully. Otherwise, you will lose marks. And I've seen some students, they are quite okay, but they lose so much marks that they fail a paper. And then the parents ask me, why did my son fail? Why did my daughter fail? I also do not know what to explain. Say, I sent them for tuition. They say, I sent them to you for tuition. What happened? I also do not know. Okay, so Raidi, okay, you have done your corrections. Well done. Write this as a maths statement. Number sentence, what I mean, number sentence. Once you write it, you know how to do it. But don't do it wrongly, yeah. Don't say pizza eat boy, yeah. Some of you gonna write, you write pizza eat boy. I bet you some of you may write pizza eat boy. Some boy eat pizza. Let us see. Okay, if I call your name, I say pizza eat boy means upside down. Putri, pizza eat boy. Don't pizza eat boy, please. They're not cannibal. Say what is he talking about? Putri. Yes. Do you understand the difference, Putri? Yes, huh? Raidi. No. No, Raidi. It's actually very simple.
You sure?
Sure. Okay, now I just give you an example. Let's say now Mr. Putra has 10 sweets. And then there are 5 persons at the party. And you divide it equally. Each person will get how many? Putra.
Huh?
You got 10 sweets at your party. There's 5 persons at your party. 2. But how you get 2? You must take the food. The food divide by the people. You don't take people divide by food. If let's say now you say, so take the food. Where's the food? Food is 3 pizza. Divide by the people 7. That's it. That's your answer. That is your answer. That's all. Do you understand? Okay, you don't understand.
I spend my whole time trying to find solution when I'm never mind.
I'm going to show you. Now.
Oh, I understand now because I tried to do it in
Okay. So now down here there's 3 pizza. So now 7 boys say they start to quarrel. Each one say, I want a pizza, I want a pizza. So they say, let us be fair. Every pizza we cut to 7 parts. So we cut to 7 parts like that. So now we cut 7 parts. Okay. And then this one also we cut to 7 parts also. Okay. And then the last one also we cut to 7 parts also. We cut to 7 parts also. You see down here? Down here like that. So each of the 7 boys will take 1 piece each one from each pizza. 2, 3. So there's 3 pieces, right? Out of 7 pieces, yeah. Okay. All right. I think you get it right because there's 7 pieces. They take 3. Oh, you wanna, yeah. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Yeah. I have made a mistake. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay.
7 out of 3, is it?
No. 7 out of 3. 7. Oh, this is embarrassing.
Is it a mixed number?
No, it's not mixed number. Okay. How many pieces are there altogether? 7. There's 21,
it's 21.
right? So now each boy will take 3. So it's actually 1 out of 7. No, but hold on. Let me see. Why is it 1 out of 7 of the pizza? Yeah, because you see they're asking now, what fraction of the pizza? 1 out of 7 of the pizza. But hold on. There is something. Okay, let me rethink about this one. Hold on. You erase this in your head first. I do not want to teach you the wrong thing. Okay. To my mind, I think it should be 3-7. Now I'm thinking it's 1-7. Just hold on. Okay. We will KIV this. I'll come back to this before we end today. Okay.
Check the answer key, teacher.
Check answer key. Sometimes the answer key can be wrong. So we must sometimes we check.
Can I go toilet?
Yeah, go. Okay,
Thank you.
you arrange from longest to shortest. What does it say? What fraction of pizza? Okay, just to tell you, both answers are possible, but it depends on how the question is asked. Later I will show you. This one, if you know how to convert to decimal, you'll be able to do this. Oh, you send your answers. I was waiting for answer. Let's see. We have okay, righty. Mistake. Please check again. You have to change it to, try to change it to cm lah. Don't counting this one. Don't counting. Yours first, second, third, no, also wrong. Okay, don't counting on here so that the rest, the only one counting in me lah. Okay. Okay, I will help you now. Okay, so now here we go. We change it to cm first. Okay, 1 meter is how many cm? 1 meter is 100 cm. So now you want to put, this one is 800, right? 710, 710 times 100. How much you get? Well, times 100, you get, cancel, 70. So this is 870. Oh, sorry, not there. This is 870 cm. Why? Because this is 70 cm. This one 800. 1 meter is 100, right? 8 meters 800. I just show you how to get 70 cm. This one now 7 cm. This is 807 cm. And what about this one? We try and find out what's 3/5. 3/5 down here. With 3/5 times 100, what do you get? You will get 3/5 times 100. Okay. You divide by 5. Down here, you divide by 5, get 20. 3 times 20, 60 cm. So 860 cm. So the first is this. The second is this. The third is this. Okay, get it or not? If some of you all are playing now, you're not listening, you're saying, can I help me? Okay, I can help you, no problem, but come. You don't understand. Who doesn't understand? Who don't understand?
I understand what you mean.
Okay, all right. So now we do it again. Now we must change this.
I see the answer right now.
Okay.
I see the answer.
Good. Now we must change this now to okay. First of all, you all know that 1 meter is 100 cm. You all know. You know, right? Okay, good. So now 800, 8 meters is 800 lah. But we must plus down here. 710 is how much? We must plus that. Then we know how many cm. So to find this, 710 of a meter. 710 times 100. Can you see? Like that. Then we get how many cm is this? Cancel 1, 0, cancel 1, 0. 7 times 10, 70. So this is 800 plus 70, 870 cm. This one also is 800 plus 7 cm. So 807 cm. This one straight. 807 cm. The last one, same thing. This is 800. 8 meters is 800. But you must plus now. 3/5. 3/5 is how much? 3 over 5. Oh, 3 over 5 times by 100. Now, if you do not know how to do this type of cancellation, I'll show you a simple way. You see, you cover this one first. You cover this one. Okay, you divide by 10 here. You get 1. Down here now, you get 2. Can you see now? This becomes 20 here. You see, can see now. This one now becomes 20 down here. You see, I done a simple way of finding 100 divided by 5, you know. I cancel the front, the 0 I will add back. So now 3 times 2, 6. Add the 0, 60. 3 times 20, 60. So this we plus by 60. This 860 cm. So first, get it ah?
Yes.
Nak dekat buka.
Nak buka ah?
Sure. Another 30 more minutes.
Okay. Alright, you want to end earlier or what?
So excited, Cher.
You end earlier so you cannot buka.
Can.
I rather wait 10 minutes.
Say who say can Aduh. Akhir can Aduh. Can buka early.
Cannot.
Then you should have buka at asar lah. Okay, but anyway, let's try this one.
I think you never eat sahur.
Sahur. No lah.
We eat lah.
Okay, it's okay. Now we try lah. If you want to go off earlier, no problem. We will end 5 minutes earlier if you want to, okay? But let's try now.
4, 5, 6.
Chicken wings.
Ring. Sedapnya.
That's why. Now you
Chicken
can
wing.
Chicken wing is the ayam.
You mean the wee papa?
This one are the wing.
Oh, sedapnya. So it look like drumstick.
Drumstick will be like that. Okay lah, something like that. Same lah. Okay, come. So let us try this one, chicken wings and drumstick. But can you imagine, we eat a lot of chicken. Do you know that the chicken, let me tell you something about chicken. I was so shocked one day when I went to Indonesia and I saw the chickens. Where do you think I saw them? These are kampung chicken. Where do you think it can be found?
At the farm.
Farm? No. Where?
I know.
At night, I was walking at night and then I look up on the tree. I can see eyes in the tree. I look up there and say, chicken in the tree. I thought only monkeys are in the tree. The chicken natural habitat is the tree, you know. And they are not as fat as we have all our chicken in Singapore, very fat. Down there is very skinny and it's also very healthy. The meat is very tough. And that's the real kampung chicken. Not
So
like
I like
the...
chicken.
Okay, later we go and makan chicken lah. Okay. Done already. Wow. Yeah, how come this type of is so simple? They give as number 20.
I don't know.
Oh, too easy, yeah.
But then I do it very slow.
Your phone is unmuted. Okay.
Okay, let us see. We have Mr. Ridey. He has not sent his answer yet. Oh, he sent his answer already. Oh. Alrighty. Well done, Ridey. Well, hold on. Let me just double check. I made a mistake, Ridey. You were not tricked. I was tricked. Shame on me. Ridey, congratulations. For that, you can ask your mom for free chicken wings.
I don't think she eats chicken.
Yeah, you can. For that, you win a prize to book early, yeah?
No,
Of course.
No. I am not. I'm not gonna take people early. I'm gonna do it normal.
Okay, well done. Those of you who have never tried, maybe after COVID-19, to buka in the mosque during Ramadan, you must have the experience.
Am I correct, sir?
You were tricked, like me. Because were there more hot dogs or were there more chicken wings?
More chicken wings.
So your hot dogs must be less than the chicken wings.
Minus. My answer
Ah,
less than chicken wings.
A lot of people.
no, but they ask you how many hot dogs. Why you give how many chicken wings? Chicken wings is already given down here.
You the answer, and then
Yeah.
you minus 4 variable.
Yeah, same thing. Putra, same thing. Why you going plus? Your sister said there's more chicken wings than hot dogs. See, there's more chicken wings than hot dogs. Okay, now Putri correct. What about the rest? What about the rest? Come on. You don't get it. Now correct. Your answer is correct now. Just now. Oh, sorry. I think. Sorry. You are right. I saw the wrong name. I saw the wrong. So sorry. I saw your brother's name. So I thought it was your brother.
You make her suspend.
Suspense. So sorry. Sometimes we
My brother is wrong.
Yeah, your brother is wrong. I thought it was you. What about Naomi? Naomi, don't dig your eye out. Later you can eat the eye. Shafia. What's your answer, Shafia? Shafia is, wow, you're singing Shafia. Hey, don't. Okay, we very simple, huh? You just need to minus lah. 4, yes.
His answer 4 4 6 5 8 6 9 5.
Yes, 44695. So you just minus, yes, correct. So you just minus lah. This why? Because they tell you that the chicken wing is more than hot dog. Okay, I was mistaken. I made a mistake. So there's less hot dog, so you must minus. Minus by 955, and you get the answer to be 4 4 6. You all want to go already? I can see you all want to leave already. How many of you want to end early today? Yeah, now all of you want to end early. Okay, we do a last question. Okay, those who want to do more, we stay until 7. Those who feel that they cannot tahan, they need to go. But you cannot buka also, right? You go also, you cannot buka. You still got to wait. This one is the thing.
Oh,
Shafia, okay now? Shafia, you look very weak, Shafia. You need to take. Why don't you take one korma and try eat it? You give you some energy.
buka.
Aduh, Putra, the way you say buka is as if you want to buka anytime now.
You scare me, and I forgot that we are fasting. I forgot that we are fasting. Now that I remember that we are fasting.
I see. So sorry, Putri. No, it's not correct.
Oh,
This is 10, 10.
Yeah.
10 means with the dot.
10.
Don't shout too loud, Putra. I have to. It is getting into. I feel as if I want to eat the
You
dirt.
understand, sir?
Yes. Okay. We will. Okay. So we will wait for one. We wait for 1 minute. Raidi, let's see. Raidi, congratulations, Mr. Raidi. You understand the question. Well done. So the question is asking you what number when you round off to the nearest 10. For example, I have 6.59. I round off to the nearest 10. 10 is where? 1's 10. So down here, this is a 10, right? I have to plus 1, right? So this becomes 6.6. But what is the smallest possible number? This is not the smallest possible number. There are other numbers smaller than 6.59 that can give you 6.6 when you round off. If you put 0.6, let's say I put 0.66, let's say 0.66. I look, our nearest 10 is here. I must look at the next one. Oh, I must plus 1. I get 0.7. This is very far. 0.7 is not even one whole. It's very far from 6.6. So there is actually a biggest possible answer, smallest possible answer. I will give you the biggest possible answer. This is the biggest possible answer. Sorry. Biggest possible answer is you see nearest 10. look down here, you don't add to the 6. So 6.6. So what is the smallest possible answer? Is 6.5 something? Is it 6.51? Is it 6.52? Is it 6.53? Is it 6.5? Until 6.59.
6.55.
6.55, let us see. 6.55, we have to add 1. Yes. So it becomes 6.6.
Question.
Yeah, hold on. And then if you do 6.54, cannot? 6.54. 6.54 cannot lah. Why? You cannot add 1 down here, cannot add. You become 6.5. So you're right, 6.55 is the smallest number. But in your mind, I thought number is a whole number. This one is number. Yes, a decimal is also a number. Let's say you got $1.50 in your pocket. So it's 1.5. 1.5 is also a number. Don't think a number must be whole number. Okay. Raidi, you were saying something? Yes, you can go. Go wash your eyes. Our very last question. I think because we have maybe 4 minutes.
Wasn't that a P4 to P3 question?
Oh, wow. Hey, don't make fun of others. This guy. Hey,
Yeah,
I mean, they test it at P4 sometimes. They sometimes test it at P4. But they even test it at the PSLE. And sometimes even at Sec 1. And some Sec 1 students get it wrong. When they say this, it means this number can be divided by 3, can divide by 4, can divide by 8. That's what they mean. I'm going to help some of you. If you say even number, even means you end with 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. So in between 70 and 90, could be 72, could be 74, could be 76, could be 78, could be 80, but could be 82, could be 84, could be 86, could be 88, but cannot be 90 because it's in between. So it's one of these 9 numbers. So you ask, can divide by 3 or not? Can divide by 4 or not? Can divide by 8 or not? Then you will be able to find the answer. We have the first one now. Let us see whether he or she get it correct. Let us see.
Did I get it correct?
I think Raidi, most probably you got it correct. Putra, I think is not correct. Because your number, Putra, cannot be divided by 8. The 8 timetable, 80.
I was maybe thinking of a number, but then I realized it cannot be divided by 8, so I just go with the one that I divided by 8, 3, and 4.
So you can use the 8 timetable if you want to. That's very easy. So what are the 8 timetable? So
8,
72 is possible. 8 times 9, 72. 8 times 10, 80. 8 times 11, 88. So all these are out already. See, can you see now how I do? I cancel out those that cannot. Now another 3 more. Can they divide by 4? Can they divide by 3? Yes. Can they divide by 4? Can they divide by 3? Which one is the one can divide by 4 and 3? Only one of them can be divided by 3. Congratulations, Putri. Yes, Putra. You raise your hand.
Is it 80?
No.
80 cannot divide by 3. So it's out.
Is it 88?
No.
88 cannot divide by 3. So it's
Is it
also
72?
yes.
Can I draw a star?
Yeah, draw. Stop. So 72 is the answer. All right. So now how to do this. Okay, so this one can be done. It takes some time. All right, it's already 7 o'clock. So enjoy your buka. Selamat berbuka, but don't buka now. After batal. All right,
It's okay.
enjoy.
Let's go. Bye.
Bye bye.